Hello everyone! Do you have a cat at home? Yes, you heard me right, a cat. Wondering what's to do with a cat? It's gonna help us with our balloon decoration today. I can hear you giggling. I'm sure the physics behind this will surprise you. Let's get started. Rub this balloon on your cat. If you don't have a cat, rub it on your own hair. This way. And see the magic. It's the static that's done the magic. Isn't that amazingly, crazily easy? There's a task for you. Drop a comment if you know other ways of creating static. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is your Sue signing off.